Is the water ever a friend or an enemy? The deep ocean, the sunlight has almost faded away. Below, there is only silence, but in a single flash, everything can change. Barracuda. Its body is slender, but its muscles are powerful. Perfect focus in its eyes, ready to capture its prey. It waits, it attacks when the opportunity comes. In a single moment, it leaps and surrounds the prey. Jaws, teeth almost like knives. The water trembles and the prey gets no chance to escape. Nature teaches, when speed and strategy combine, they become terrifying. In this deep ocean, if the silence suddenly breaks, are you sure no danger is outside your sight? Like and subscribe to Feral Vault.